Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo X90 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's enter App Drawer and search for Files app. As you can see, we've got the files provided by Google. Let's enter it. And thanks to this app, we've got access to your internal storage, divided on categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, and apps. Also, you can manage your collections like subfolders and favorites. Then you can go to internal storage itself. Next, you can use nearby share function to send and receive files. In the end, you can go to clean. Thanks to clean function, you can clean junk files from your smartphone. If you go to menu, you've got access to recycled bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.